Hey guys, we are Greg and Stephanie. We're real estate agents here in the Florida Keys. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or have your property managed, please reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to help you out. This is our listing at 1023 Simonson Street in Old Town, Key West, about a block from Duval. That was your front porch to sit on and have some coffee and people watch. It is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome with a little over 1,400 square feet. This is the first full bathroom right when you enter in the front door, which is a great little extra if you are trying to utilize it as a rental or you have guests staying downstairs on a sleeper sofa. They have their own full bathroom and don't have to go upstairs and use yours. This is the kitchen, granite countertops, tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. Really nice size, open family room with natural light. And as you can see here, you got your washer and dryer, and behind that other door is your hot water heater. This townhome comes fully furnished, so it's turnkey, ready to be moved in immediately or rented out immediately if that is your plan. As we go upstairs, we're going to go check out the 2 bedrooms. The first one we're going to go into is the guest bedroom. Both bedrooms are large, have king-size beds in them. The second bathroom right here has a bathtub, which is really nice. So if you want to soak in it or you have little kids and they need to take a bath, works out perfect to have one of them as a bathroom. And the guest bedroom has a balcony, so you can sit up there and drink your coffee and people watch up from here also. As we leave the guest bathroom, we're going to go across the hall and enter into the primary bedroom. Primary bathroom is a little larger than the guest bathroom, has a walk-in shower and a nice little seat in there inside the shower. Another cool thing about the primary bedroom is it has 2 closets, and you can never have enough closet space. So 2 nice size closets, king size bed. Remember, wood tile throughout. Definitely a nice feature if you're renting or low maintenance. As you exit out these French doors, which are great, especially for the cooler months in January, February, and March, you can open them up and have inside, outside living, which is what you want in the Florida Keys. Really nice size deck back there. And as you can see here, you have pavers that go throughout the property. Right now we're walking to what I think is one of the biggest features of this place. You have your own parking space. It's assigned. No one else is going to park there. It's covered. And once again, it's got really nice pavers. So I'm going to take you on a walk straight ahead. We're going to go out to Simonson Street just to kind of give you guys an idea of where you'd be pulling in with your vehicle. Pull in right here. Go into your covered parking space. Park your car, and then go to your townhome. Beautifully landscaped throughout, all covered by the HOA. Really low HOA fees at $285 a month. Here's your shared pool. It's heated with a nice water feature. The townhome was built in 2015, has 1 owner, and has never been rented out. And they've done a really good job of keeping the property looking new. Give you a quick rundown of the stats again. It is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, a little over 1,400 square feet, 1 owner, never rented, listed at $1,395,000. If you like this property or any other properties in the Florida Keys, please reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to help you out.